This is the chemistry. We are carrying out a laboratory on the experiment called the extraction by using the method called the Soxhlet extraction. So this apparatus you're seeing here, it's called a Soxhlet extractor. So what are some of the important components on this Soxhlet? So we have a heating mantle. This one, it helps it to boil the substance which is in the round bottomed flask here. Then we also connect this thing, the apparatus, to a tap where water will continuously be running. So water will be entering from here, from the bottom, and then it will pass through these. These we call them the condensers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then it will come out from the top. As you can see here, it is coming out. Now, as water comes out, the purpose of this cold water is to condense the gas which is being boiled here. Okay, so we have heard how the Soxhlet machine works. But what is the purpose of the Soxhlet machine? The Soxhlet machine, it is used for someone. Let's take, for example, someone has taken doom. Then we want to analyze what chemicals that person has taken. Then we are able to extract the particular chemical and to know the exact content which a person has taken for them to maybe collapse or maybe die at that particular point. Like for example, here we have the leaves for guava. So the leaves for guava, it contains green pigment which is chlorophyll. So we are able to detect the amount of chlorophyll that is in the leaf, and then we are also able to also know the amount of alkaloids that are present in the leaf. So after getting the samples from here, so this is not a final machine that we can able to detect, but we take it to a UVV machine where it will tell us the amount of substances that are present in the very sample that we prepared from here. So this one is just a sample preparation. We are preparing a sample.
Yeah. Wait, you can start now.
6 processes that takes place here, and my friends are going to be explaining them one by one as they come after me. So we have the first process is evaporation. It takes place there. They'll explain. The second process is condensation to take place there. Then the third one is what's the third one, sir?
Yeah.
In our Soxhlet experiment, we had put ethanol. It's a perfect solvent. Well, what's inside here, we're having a guava leaf that we're trying to extract components from. Yeah.
Oh, this substance which is here, the ethanol, how does the whole process take place? So this ethanol which is here, it will be boiled like it is now. It's boiling at a certain temperature. Then it will raise what we call it? The vapor. Yes, will rise using this pipe. Then it will try. There's a wall somewhere there. It will try to escape, but as it tries to escape, it will find there's cold water there on those chambers. So what will happen is that condensation will take place. So the first one is evaporation. It will first take place here. Then it will raise the vapor. That vapor will condense back to liquid, and this is the one which is dropping here on the sample.
So nevertheless, it's just not ethanol which is in here. There's a little bit of water. Apart from that, I think this is the entire experiment. So from here, we'll take it to the
siphoning. First, before I talk about that, you see this pipe, the way it's doing, this is just normal water. So the water is coming from this tap. Then, where condensation is taking place this side. So the water is being entered through this tap. Okay. That's it.
siphoning.
Okay. Then there is also what we call siphoning here, which is taking place, where the same thing which is in here, the liquid which is being collected in here, which is alcohol now, or call it ethanol now, because it will again I know probably the one thing able to do, it reaches somewhere here, the recycle will start again. This all liquid that is in here will go back in here, and then the process will start over again and again. Yeah, so by me elucidating this, I can now refer to the man.
Experiment indeed. For this one, an Soxhlet extractor, we're able to see that there is evaporation of the ethanol which has been put here. It goes there, then in the condensing chambers there, then it will also come again to drop out to these samples that we are trying to extract. Then from later on now, it will come down again to the extracting for the second time, and it can do this for many times.
Just to try to collect from the previous
Demonstrator.
This is not a machine. This is just